Spice up your weeknight dinner ideas with my Cajun chicken and broccoli Alfredo recipe. Start by preparing the chicken, panning it down with paper towel, drizzling it with olive oil, brushing it in, and then sprinkling it with the Cajun seasoning. Rub it in, and then repeat the same on the other side. Place it in your preheated oven to bake. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, and then cook your pasta as directed. Meanwhile, cut your broccoli florets and slice your onion. Drizzle olive oil in a large skillet on medium-high heat and cook your veggies. Sprinkle with seasoning, and then cook until your broccoli is nice and roasted. Pour in the chicken broth and deglaze the pan, stirring it in until almost all evaporated. When the pasta is cooked, remove it from the water. Then pour in the Alfredo sauce into the skillet, stirring it in, and then adding in the Cajun seasoning. Stir in the seasoning until well combined, and then add in your pasta to the sauce. Stir so that the pasta is covered, and then take it off the heat. Grate in lots and lots of Parmesan cheese and you're ready to serve. Slice up your cooked Cajun chicken and place it right on top of the pasta. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.